Good
Hey,
afternoon,
hello.
teacher.
Hello and good afternoon. How do you feel yourself?
Good
Very
afternoon.
good. Not bad. Are you?
Oh, cheer up, dear students. You are my favorite ones. And I think you have to cheer up because today our sim, which is dedicated to effect and causes essays, we have to learn a lot of interesting things on writing essays. This is the tips of essay writings. Okay, totally there should be, let me check it, there should be 16 students.
Yes, you are right. 16.
So Tashkambaeva is yawning, so maybe she had just woken up or maybe she is tired. Yeah.
She's
Yes.
tired.
Uh, okay, 12 of 16. Wow. We have only 12 students. Okay. Do we need to wait
We'll
others or to start our lessons? Which one to choose?
We wait others teacher. Aku
Mm,
wait
dapat
on.
bel.
Okay, I will wait for other 4 students. I give you only 2 minutes. Just, dear monitor, hurry up them, please. Contact with them and tell them to join our lesson quickly. By the way, are you watching the videos? What kind of disadvantages or what kind of advices can you give me
From us lesson, yes. You mean.
about our past lessons?
Teacher, I think on the YouTube it looks a bit boring.
A bit boring.
Yes, while watching on YouTube,
Um,
but while the lesson, while participating, it's not boring.
okay, so next time please watch our videos and try to notice some uh, pros and cons of our lessons and try to give me some advices about my behavior, about my speech, about the methods of teaching. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
maybe we have to take another methods of teaching. So only 13 students are connected. Okay, we have lost already 5 minutes. Let's start our lesson. Let's get down to our lesson. So so here you see, okay. Okay, we don't need it. Okay, dear students, cause and effect essays. Today we will work on cause and effect essays. Okay, cause and effect essays is another common essay type, either as an essay type on its own or as part of a larger essay which includes one or more paragraphs examining causes and effects, of course, because the theme of the essay is cause effect, is already gives us a hint. So the theme that we are going to discuss gives information on what a cause and effect essay is, how to structure this type of essay and how to use cause and effect structure words, transition signals for this type of essay writing. There is also an example example on cause and effect essays on the topic of women at work, as well as some exercises to help you practice this area. Okay, what are cause and effect essays? A cause, I think you can see this page, yes? Okay,
Yes.
listen carefully. A cause and effect essay looks at the reasons or causes for something, then discusses the results or effects. Okay, let me draw you something. What is cause? Okay, when we are talking about cause, this is our cause. Let's take it out as our cause. Okay, let me take another figure to describe it. Okay, dear students, let's take this one as our cause. And you know that before causes, we have introduction, yes? Let's write it as intro. Okay, I think we have some visitors to join our lesson. Diana is joining us. So intro means introduction. Then we have a body. So body here, one of the body is cause. Okay, let's write it here, cause. And here we divide our causes into what? Who can tell me? Okay, into different parts. Okay, let's take it as a different parts. Okay, into different parts. Here we have 3 parts, for example, yes? Okay, they are, what are they? They are effects, dear students, effects. As it given in our lecture theme, they are effects. Okay, here you can see it, that they are our effects. So on our previous lesson, on our previous lecture, we have studied about the essay that is based on the effect and gives us causes. If you remember, effect, and we divided causes from the effect. Now on this lecture, we have vice versa scheme. Causes and we have effects of causes. Okay, let me clean up everything. So here you see that we had the scheme of cause and effects. So a cause and effect essay looks at the reasons or causes for something, then discusses the results or effects. For this reason, cause and effect essays are sometimes referred to as reason and result essays. They are one of the most common forms of organization in academic writing. Sometimes the whole essay will be cause and effect. So sometimes this may be only part of the whole essay. It is also possible, especially for short exam essays, that only gives the causes or the effects, not both, are discussed. See the examples below. Discuss the causes and effects of global warming, cause and effect essays. Explain the high death rate in Chernobyl, cause and cause only essays. Discuss the WTO and its effects on the Chinese economy. Effects only essay. So the structure of, okay, I'm sorry. The structure of this kind of, I mean, cause and effect essay writing. There are two main ways to structure a cause and effect essay. These are similar to the ways to structure problem solution essays, namely using a block or chain structure. So here we have a block or chain structure. Here is block structure and chain structure. You see that block, it's a squared material of something, yes? In the block, we give causes definitely, each cause separately. But in chain structure, we give cause and effects together. Okay, can someone read this paragraph? Who would like to read? Nazirke, please read this paragraph.
Structure. There are two main ways to structure a cause and effect essays. They are similar to the ways to structure problem solution essays, namely using a block or chain structure. For the block structure, all of the causes are listed first, and all of the effects are listed afterwards. For the chain structure, each cause is followed immediately by the effect. Usually that effect will then be the cause of the next effect, which is why this structure is called chain. The both types of structure have their merits. The former is generally clear, especially for the short essays, while the latter ensures that any effects you present relate directly to the cause you have given.
Okay, thanks a lot. Now the two types of structure, block and chain, are shown in the diagrams below. Okay, here you can clearly understood what are the difference of cause and effect essay writing. We have two types of, two ways of writing cause and effect essay. One of them is block and one of them is chain. I think now you can identify the differences between them, yes? So dear students, did you understand the differences between them, between block and chain structures of essay writing? Yes. Now it's clear to you. Okay. Here, in block, for example, in block structure of cause and effect writing, essay writing, we have introduction. Okay. We do have introduction in any kind of essay. In fact,
Yes, they have.
so the cause one, the cause two, effect one, effect two is accepted as a body of the essay. Yes, body of the essay. You know it. So here, the difference is that here in the blockchain, in the block structure, we have transition sentence or transition paragraph. First of all, in a body, we have to talk about cause one, cause two, cause three, and so on. And then we have to transfer from one paragraph into another. Slightly, we have to slide between them. That's why we need transition sentence. That helps us to transfer into the effects of the causes. And then we have a conclusion part. But in chain, we have only three of them. They are chain, body, and conclusion. They are introduction, I mean. Introduction is a main and it's a obligatory part of the essay writing. Then we have a body part. Here we don't have transition sentence because our cause and effects are already connected between them. We have given it in a chain form. Okay, let's continue our lesson. So cause and effect structure words are transition signals, which is shown the cause and effect relationships. It is important to be clear which is the cause or reason and which is the effect or result. And to use the correct transition word phrase, remember that a cause happens first and the effect happens later. Below are some common cause and effect structure words. For example, X is used to indicate a cause, Y is used to indicate the effect. For example, cause. The first cause of Y is X. The next reason is X because of X, Y, and so on. So here you can see it. I think, is it visible to you? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. So examples, worsening pollution levels in cities are due to the increased use of cars. Here, cause of the effect. Yes. What is the cause? Can you find out cause?
Pollution. Worsening.
Worsening pollution levels in cities. Or is it effect?
Cause.
Cause. What is the effect of that then? The increased use of cars?
Increased use of car. 3. Pollution.
Okay, dear students, so the cause gives us effect. What is the effect? Effect of our cause is polluted environment. Cause,
Yes.
why
And
our
cause
environment is polluted?
Because of the use of cars.
Because of the increased use of cars. This is our cause. Here's the first cause of Y. Y is our effect, and X is our cause. Okay, because of the increased use of cars, pollution levels in cities are worsening. As a result of the increased use of cars, pollution levels in cities are worsening. So, dear students, you can make a note of this website, and at home you can make a revision of these materials. If you have some things misunderstood, or you can also ask a question at the end of our lesson if you have some problems of getting clear this lecture. Okay, example essays. Below, we are going to give essays. Is a cause and effect essay. This essay uses the block structure. Keep this in mind. Click on the different areas in the shaded boxes to the right to highlight the different structural aspects in this essay. For example, causes, effects, and structure words. This will highlight not simply the paragraph, but also thesis statements and summary, as this repeats the causes and effects contained in the main body. So, title, more and more women are now going out to work, and some women are now the major salary earner in the family. What are the causes of this, and what effect is this having on families and society? Now, dear students, try to find out causes and try to find out effects. Make a screenshot. Make a screenshot of this page. Read it right now. It's your class work. And try to find out causes and effects, because you already have a general information about this style of essay writing. Is it clear? Did you make a screenshot?
Yes.
Okay. Can I close this page? Can I hide it from you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
teacher.
get down to your classroom task. Diana, Imam Berlinova, so switch on your cameras, please. Abdieva, switch on your cameras. Asimkul, switch on your cameras, please. So let me know when you are finished, okay? Don't switch off your cameras. So dear students, I'm sending to our chat the whole text of this essay. So this is a ready essay, and we have to find out effects and causes. So I have sent to you. Well, let's do it in this case. Now I'm demonstrating you the whole text. Can you see it?
Yes.
What about now? Can you see it?
Yes, we see.
Okay. I think it will take more than 20 minutes, yes, from you to do this task. And I give you as a task for the next lesson. You can take also your break time to this exam, to this exercise, to work on it.